Folks, welcome back to Muscle Cars of Texas. Have I got something to show you? Besides James Bond, and I hope you saw our Bondo video. It's pretty cool, a lot of fun. Get some laughs, but come follow me. We are almost done with our 69 Roadrunner 4-speed Hemi track pack car. We got a few more little details to do. Motor and transmission, and down the road we go. Red line tires, dog dish hubcaps, vinyl top. Vinyl top came out absolutely gorgeous. All new stuff back here. Now these are the original lenses, but we buff them and make them look new, and these pieces are new. Bumper. We even put where the car was bought in San Antonio. Had that re-chromed. Very cool. Even the trim came out nice. And of course the beep beep right there. Original glass. We put the original windshield back in the car. They're all date coded and all that kind of stuff, so we had to do that. So, whenever you're ready to get one of these babies done, you know where to bring it. Right here at Muscle Cars of Texas.